The APT Solara represents a new dawn for APT.
Innovation is in APT's DNA. From the 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, we've always innovated and raised the bar, elevated what is in everything that we've done. And now we've taken it to the next level with this revolutionary new ship, the APT Solara.
We were aware there was an opportunity to really think differently about Europe river cruising. Let's start with a complete clean slate and reimagine it. And I feel like that's what we've done. We wanted a luxury experience, but we also wanted to make sure that it came with that unpretentious Australian ease.
We engaged a design firm in Australia, Hecker Guthrie, to help with the physical design of the ship and really get that relaxed luxury feel.
I think what sets the APT Solara and Ostara apart from the other ships on the river is this idea of home. The first time you walk into a space, you're always impressed by grandest. But after that, what you really want is to feel cozy or to feel comfortable. So when you walk into the room, I think it was really important for us that we create a sense of sanctuary.
We know in Australia we have absolutely outstanding hospitality venues. We have some of the best restaurants, cafes of the world. We wanted to bring that experience to the ship. We partnered with an expert, Monique Lane from Fellow Hospitality.
I thought it was really important that all the venues on the ship spoke to elements of Europe that people were going to be visiting. So whilst we're proudly Australian in terms of the relaxed style of service and the beautiful fresh food, we really wanted to think about the journey and give people a taste of Europe on board.
We have 6 dining venues, all with different varied menus to really give people variety whilst they travel. That's plus room service as well if you're feeling those lazy days and you want to sleep in a little bit, have a little bit of a late start.
The inspiration for me was that each venue really spoke to one of the experiences you might have when you're visiting one of the major capital cities in Europe. So everything from, a classic European bistro to a intimate wine cellar experience that you might have. Maybe you might have met the owner of the bistro.
The one we're sitting in right now is the owner's cellar. You can see it's absolutely beautiful. It is a wonderful experience. This is our signature experience that we offer, and it's our fine dining experience.
This venue is designed to feel like you're walking into our dining room. In fact, I even have the same dining chairs around my dining table at home.
The experience I love the most on board is Gruner Bar and Dining. That's because I really wanted to create a space that was a lot more relaxed and in the style of a European neighbourhood wine bar.
We just had the most fabulous night last night in here. We were all sitting around, sharing small plates, passing them all around, and the laughter and getting to know each other. What is even more special is that this venue can actually, the entire venue as a world first, lifts all the way up from the 3rd floor to above the sun deck, and we had the most spectacular views. We are really, really good at connecting people. This is something that we've been doing since our first camping trips, and really sitting around a campfire, talking, getting to know one another. How do we bring that to our Europe river ship? And that position up there is the most beautiful position. It has the very best views of the ship, and we wanted to create that visual representation of bringing people together.
Our tours are led by our much loved APT tour guides. They're absolute experts at what they do. They have a love and a passion to show people wonderful European experiences.
I've done quite a few of these cruises, as you might be aware of, and every time I see something new. The APT Solara, it's raising the bar literally. Absolutely amazing. I get goosebumps already thinking of having the first guest coming on board and sharing the love of river cruising.
I can't wait to hear the response from our customers. I hope they have the same reaction that I have when I walked on.
It's just so thrilling, and I can't wait for guests to experience it.
I really believe that this ship sets an entirely new standard of river cruising, not just for APT, but across the whole industry.